Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So the first thing I highly recommend to do is to restart your device. If it is possible, simply turn off your device and turn it on again. Sometimes this operation basically fixes some temporary crashes, and probably it will just help your device and help the app to be opened again. If that didn't work, no worries. Find the app that is causing you those problems and tap on it and hold it, and then tap on App Info. So I highly recommend to first of all go to storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. Cache are maybe not junk, but they are temporary files that are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes if they are corrupted, they can interfere and you can have some problems with opening the device, the app, sorry. So remove cache first of all, and if that didn't work, I also highly recommend to force stop the app, because sometimes if it is still working in the background and it wasn't properly closed, then it will have some kind of problems in order to be reopened. So tap on force stop, tap on OK, and that's all. You can try to open the app after that. If that didn't work, then it means that the problem is kind of, let's say, inside. So what you need to do is to check for the updates for the app. So let's go to the Play Store and let me quickly log in. All right, so we are here. The fastest way, I think, it will be to just tap on search and enter the name of the app, which is Chrome in my case. It's just an example, of course. So here we've got the Chrome, and if it is available to be updated, you will immediately see it. So I highly recommend to simply tap on update, obviously, here, and let your device fully update the app, and try to open it after the update. However, and to be honest, usually in 90% of the situations, it will help. I mean, the update is the cure for everything, almost. However, sometimes the update can actually make it worse. And what I mean by that, during the update, your device will download new files and then overwrite them over the old files. And sometimes this overwriting process may cause some problems, some kind of corruption, etc. And sometimes this corruption is causing you, again, the problems with the opening. And in order to fix that, I highly recommend to simply get back to this section here, so in the Play Store. If you've got your app updated, instead of this update option, you will see the option uninstall. So I highly recommend to uninstall it, let your device fully remove it, and then install it again. And why it works? Because your device will immediately install the newest version, which means that there is no overwriting process, and therefore there is no chance that your device will have some kind of problems with corrupted files during the overwriting. That's why it works. And if we are talking about the updates, I also highly recommend to check for your system updates, because if you've got the newest app version, and if it is not compatible with the old system you've got, then you will still have problems with opening the app. So you need to go to the settings. Then let's scroll and find the option, the system, so which is at the very bottom, and go to the system update. Tap on online update and let your device check for the updates. And basically, if your device will find any kind of update, I really highly recommend to simply download it and install, not only for the sake to fix the app, but also for your own safety. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.